Okay, for example 3, Gabriella purchases a new car. The car's value in dollars V is modeled by the function V of t equals 12,870 minus k times 1.1 to the t power, where t has to be greater than or equal to 0. T represents the number of years since the car was purchased, and k is a constant. After 2 years, the car's value is $9,143.20. This model is defined for 0 as less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to n. At n years, the car value will be $0. Letter A says write down and simplify an expression for the car's value when Gabriella purchased it. So when Gabriella purchased it would be 0 years. So what we're going to do is find V of 0, meaning we're going to plug 0 in for t. So 12,870 minus k times 1.1 to the 0 power. Now, an exponent rule you should know is that anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So really this is k times 1, which is k, so it's just 12,870 minus k. That would be our simplified expression that shows the value of the car when she bought it. They didn't say it necessarily had to be a number, just an expression. So we can leave our final answer like that. Letter B says now find the value of k. Well, I'm going to use this earlier piece of information that they told us to help us find k. It says after 2 years, the car's value is $9,143.20. What that tells us is that V of 2 equals 9,143.20. So I'm going to plug these values into the equation, and the only variable we'll have left is k. So for letter B, 9,143.20 is going to equal 12,870 minus k times 1.1 to the second power, because it was 2 years. So to do a little bit of simplifying, I can do 1.1 squared, which is 1.21. So 9,143.20 equals 12,870 minus 1.21 times k. Okay, now I just want to get k by itself. This basically turns into an algebraic problem. So I'm going to subtract 12,870 from both sides. 9,043. Oops. We get negative 3,726.80. And that equals negative 1.21k. So now we just divide both sides by negative 1.21 to get k by itself. And it's positive 3,080. So the constant k is equal to 3,080. Now letter C says find the value of n. A reminder that n represents the years the car's value will be $0. So how many years does it take for the car to equal $0? So what we can do is set V of t equal to 0. So now we have 0 equals 12,870 minus our k value, which is 3,080, times 1.1 to the n or t power. So we got to figure out when this equals 0. So what I can do is plug 0 into y1 and everything else into y2, which I've already done. So it looks like this. And now I can go to second graph to bring up my table of values, and I'm going to scroll down and figure out which x value will give me the y value of 0. And as you can see, between years 15 and 16, we go from a positive number to a negative number. So my answer can be that t is going to equal about 15 years.